Is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE the game changer we've been waiting for? Can it stand toe-to-toe with the iPhone 16? Or is it just another mid-range phone trying to keep up?
In today's review, we're putting Samsung's latest release under the focus, uncovering whether it truly delivers on its promises or falls short of expectations. Stay with us as we break it all down.
Welcome to Miss Reseñas TV.
The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has been creating quite a buzz as a mid-range option that promises both performance and affordability. But can it meet the expectations of users who don't want to compromise on features?
We've all had experiences with mid-range smartphones that fall short, whether it's slow charging, average cameras, or limited storage.
Samsung is aiming to change that with the S24 FE, a device packed with features without breaking the bank. So, does it live up to the claims?
Mid-range phones often come with trade-offs, sacrificing certain features for a lower price.
But what if you didn't have to choose between performance and affordability? Samsung's promise with the S24 FE is just that, and we're excited to see if it can deliver on this front.
One of the key challenges for mid-range devices is balancing performance and battery life. It's common to find phones that either run fast but drain the battery quickly or last long but are sluggish.
The S24 FE claims to strike that perfect balance. Let's see how it holds up.
The design is certainly eye-catching. With a sleek, premium build and appealing color choices, it's clear that Samsung has taken design seriously.
But it's not just about looks. The phone also features a comfortable, ergonomic curved screen. On the inside, it's powered by a strong processor with ample RAM and storage, making it a contender in the mid-range market.
When it comes to camera performance, the S24 FE impresses. Its advanced system lets you capture beautiful photos and videos, even in low-light conditions.
Features like super steady video stabilization and live focus enhance your shots, though it's not without its limitations.
And when you do need to recharge, fast charging technology will have you back up and running quickly. The customizable power-saving options are a nice touch too.
What really stood out to us was the camera's advanced capabilities. With 8x digital zoom and a strong portrait mode, the S24 FE competes with higher-end phones in terms of photo quality, especially with Samsung's image processing making your pictures shine, even in challenging lighting.
In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a well-rounded package for a mid-range smartphone.
Its sleek design, solid camera, and good performance make it a strong contender, though it's not without its flaws. Overall, we're impressed, and we think you will be too.
The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is available at Amazon Store USA, Amazon Store UK, and Tienda Amazon España. Click on the links in the video description to order it.
Thanks for watching Miss Reseñas TV. Let us know what you think of the S24 FE in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other reviews. Until next time, stay techie.